I recently got a call from a gentleman who wanted to know if he could sue his wife in a car wreck. And of course, my immediate answer was, "Are you kidding me? You got to go home, right?" Anyway, I understand his question. He was a passenger in the car, his wife was driving, and the wreck was her fault. And he was curious if he could sue his wife for the wreck. Unfortunately, in Indiana, the answer is no. We have a guest statute. That's the title of it. It's called the guest statute. And you're not allowed to sue your spouse in a car wreck if it's their fault. However, sometimes clients will call me and ask that question, and what they don't realize is their spouse really wasn't at fault for the wreck. There was some confusion and some contradicting stories, but the reality was that it wasn't their spouse's fault, and they do have a claim against the other driver. In that scenario, you should definitely give us a call. But the guest statute does exclude claims against grandparents. A grandchild can't sue a grandparent. A child can't sue his parent in a car wreck if they're at fault. There are some interesting twists to that. If your spouse were driving a completely separate car than the car you were driving, and somehow there was a wreck involved in that, that's a gray area, that there may be something to pursue there. I think that would be very interesting, but that's not what we typically see. What we typically see is passengers in cars, and the guest statute covers that and does not allow you to pursue that. However, that being said, I caution you against immediately shutting down that idea. If that's happened to you, give us a call. Let's talk about it. Worst case scenario, it's something that's controlled by the statute and we can't help you. Best case scenario is there's something that you didn't think of, and that we see that there's something that we do need to pursue for you, or there's some insurances that in that scenario are available to you to get your medical bills paid and maybe some time that you lose from work.